Good day everyone, welcome to the Train Disciple channel. Today we are going to be talking about weekly high and low and what it's about and how you can implement it with your strategy. So let's dive right into the chart. We're going to be using USD JPY, say USD Euro USD rather. Give me a minute, I have a kind of slow connection. So this is kind of slow. Okay, it's loading now. So what is the weekly high and low? This is a tool or a strategy whereby professional traders use to determine the overall market. Professional traders use to determine the overall market of the week. That's why most trader will tell you they don't trade on Mondays because they use Monday to determine the overall trend of the week. So this is how they basically do it. So first you go to the 4 hour time frame. Click on the 4 hour time frame. Click on the 4 hour time frame. Let me use you can use this one, you can use anyone, you work with any tool. So once you're on the 4 hour time frame, you are going to notice the first two candles to open, the high and low of the first two candles to open for the week or the 4 hour time frame. You are going to notice the high and the low. So for you to know the first two candles, you can just basically come here. You can see this, the indicator I'm using here, month and you can see the indicator here, this month and week break. You can just come to your indicator bar here, just click on it. Then search for month and week break. You are going to see it there, month stroke week. You are going to see there, this is the first one here. This is the first one you are going to do. So this, you can just basically input it and you can just change it. Because I'm using a black background chart, that's why it is, the line is white. You can see the line, you can see it. But you can change the settings here. You can change it to black if you are using a white background chart. So let's continue. So this line is telling me that this is the beginning of a new week. This one telling me the beginning of a new week. This one telling me the beginning of a new week. This one telling me the beginning of a new week. So by the time I'm doing this video, this is the new week. This is the new week. This is the new week. So let us notice the high and low of that week. You can see it has a small week rejection here, a small week here. So we just bring out your horizontal array tool here. Just come here, click on the horizontal array. This is it here. So you mark out the high. This is the first candle, then this is the second candle. This is both of them here. This is the first candle and this is the second candle. This is first candle and this is the second candle of the week. So you get for Monday. So you notice the high. In case you can't, because there are some people that can't place the horizontal array tools at the high, you can just put your mouse on top of the candle here. Then at this top here, you will see the open, this OHLC means open, high, low, and close. So it's only the high and the low you are going to notice. So just bring out our horizontal array to this one is the highest. This second candle here is the highest. So just place your horizontal array to there. In case you can't place it there, you can just stand on the candlestick. Then the high here, you are going to see the high here. The high is 103.022. That H here at the top here. So you can just click the settings of the horizontal array. Let's mark it at 103.022. Just come to settings here. The settings and coordinates 0.2. You can see it came to the high there. So that's basically how you can do it. Then this is the high, this is the low. You can see this one, you can see this second candle is higher than this one. So the one that is higher, that's the one we are going to place the horizontal array to there. This is the second one. So what you are going to do is that you are going to be waiting for a candlestick to break above. If a candlestick break above this horizontal array, it's telling us that it's going to be more of uptrend for the week. Then if you break below, then you know that yes, this throughout this week will be downtrend. So that's why I don't trade on Mondays. And there's some traders out there that don't trade on Mondays. They use Monday to determine the overall trend of the week. So you can see this green, this huge green candle that break above. This one is telling us that yes, this is going to be uptrend for the week. This is going to be uptrend. You can see how the market keep trading up. I see the market keep trading up. So you can see that throughout uptrend for the week. You can backtest what I'm trying to tell you, then you will see that see what I'm trying to tell you. Then this other week, the previous week here, you can see the first candle, you can see the second candle. Bring horizontal array. This is the high. because this is second candle, this candle here and this one, this is two candle here. Then bring this mark out the low here. You can see the low. You can see what price is. Price this one, this candle here broke above it. You can see this candle here broke above there. Now it's telling us that yes, throughout this week there's going to be more of uptrend for this week. You can see where price traded up. Price came back to retest this low. You can see this huge weak rejection here. I see this huge weak rejection. I see it move to the upside, boom. That's telling us that yes, that's more of uptrend for the week. So let's do two more. Let's do two more week, then close the tutorial. I can back test what I'm trying to tell you. You see it's work perfectly. I see the first two candles, this one here and this one. The market, this is the first two candle. This is the first two candle of the week. You can see it. So mark out the high, then the resultant rate to bring out the low. This is the low. You can see the way this one breaks above it. I'm coming. You can see the way this one breaks above it. So I'm coming. Hold on. Okay, you can see this candle here. This one here. And see it break above it, break above it. That's telling us that yes, for that week there's going to be more of uptrend for you. You can see the price keep trading up. Price keep trading up, then keep back to retest and rejection here. So price keep trading. That shows that yes, that throughout that week there's going to be more of there's going to be more of uptrend for that week. And this is the last week I'm going to doing for you. So I see the first two candles of this week. This is the first two candle. This one and this one here. These are the first two candles of the week. Then you was mark out their highs. This is the high. Then mark out the low. This is the low. And see the price broke out. You can see our strategy does not work 100% of the time, but this strategy work 90% of the time. I can testify to that work 90% of the time. See where price broke out. Price came back, broke again inside here, but you can see this long weak rejection. I see this this long candlestick. That's to tell us that yes, the buyers are still pushing the market for the week. So that is it. You can just back test it and check what I'm trying to tell you. Check out what I'm trying to tell you. You can back test it and check, and you can add it to your strategy. As I don't trade the money, you can see these first two candles here for this last week that followed this. You can see it here. The first one, then the low of the second one. You can see the low. You can see the low. You can see the low. You can see price broke below, then came back again, broke above, then retest, then boom to the upside. So I tell that it does not work 100% of the time. That's why it broke up below here, then again to the upside. You can see. But for it to be I say that make sure anytime it breaks below it's going to be more than 50 pips. If it's 50 pips, if kind of break below is 50 pips, if kind of break below is 50 pips, then I know that yes, that's more important for you. You can see this one is 14 pips. The kind that broke below just well 40 pips. You can see all the kind that even break below self didn't pass, they didn't reach 50 pips, they stop at 30 pips here. You can see it, they didn't go below 50 pips. So for you to be safe, you can just measure the pips, how many pips the kind that break below. If the candlestick that broke below it already enter 50 pips, then you know that yes, that is a sure confirmation for you. Make sure it's more than 50 pips. The kind that break below must be more than 50 pips. So that is it. You can just backtest what I'm trying to tell you and see it's work perfectly. So you can just like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to post more videos, psychological level trend lines and all. So I'm going to post more videos about that. Just like, subscribe, and give a thumbs up for us, and make sure you turn on the notification button so in case you post another video you can follow up. Thank you.